Compound interest is calculated on the principal plus any previously earned interest. So after a certain period, the interest earned so far is credited or added to the account, and the sum, the principal plus the interest, then earns interest during the next period. So to help you understand this, suppose you invested $1,000 in an account at 2% compounded annually. So at 2% interest compounded annually means that it is compounds once a year. Annually is once a year. So year one, you deposit $1,000. So when it's time to calculate your interest on that account, it is based on I equals PRT. That's how you calculate the interest. I stands for interest, P stands for the principal, R stands for the rate, and T is the time. So that would be 1,000 times the rate, which we turn to a decimal, 0.02, times 1 for the once a year. That yields $20. So now at the end of that year, you have $1,020 in the bank. Year two, remember you have $1,020. Now it's time to calculate the interest earned again. But this time it's based on you have $1,020 now in the bank. That's your principal amount, plus your rate, still 2%, plus 1, this is the 1 year. You earned $20.40 this year. So add that to the amount you already have in the bank, the $1,020, and now you have $1,040.40. And that continues to compound each year. So by the end of the 5th year, notice here that you've accumulated $1,104.08. Now, in terms of the time period for compounding, this example compounded annually, which was once a year. So when you plug it into the formula, N is 1 because it occurs every 12 months. Semi-annually, N would be 2 because it occurs twice a year, every 6 months. Quarterly, N is 4. It happens 4 times a year, every 3 months. Monthly, N is 12 because it occurs 12 times a year, every month. Daily, N is 365, and it occurs once a day.